Okay, so finding out about the Delhi Sultans. In previous period, we learn about the Delhi Sultans. Okay,
Sultan.
now although uh, inscriptions, coins, and architecture provide a lot of information, especially valuable are histories. The main thing is that Tariq. Okay, Tariq is the singular, and Twarik it's a plural, written in Persian, the language of administration under the Delhi Sultans. You know that how we know about history? We know about history on how this information provided by us. You know that inscriptions, coins, and architecture they provide us a lot of information about past. Okay, but
Okay, sir.
especially Tariq. Okay, Tariq also uh, provide us about information. Tariq and Tariq. There is a difference. Tariq, T-A-R-A-K-H. Tariq. Tariq is a singular. Tariq means T-A-V-A-R-I-K-H. Why? Here W is there. Okay. So Tariq means it's a plural. Okay. You know about date means that Tariq or Tariq. So that is written in Persian. Okay, and the Persian language it was the language of administration under the Delhi Sultans. Okay, because Delhi Sultans they know Persian language, and so that the administrative language was Persian language. Okay, under the Delhi Sultans. The authors of Tariq were learned men. Okay, so who wrote about that Tariq? Okay, or who wrote that inscriptions? So those people who wrote that inscriptions, they were learned persons. Then secretaries, administrator, poets, and courtiers. Matlab the people who work in court. Court means what? Raj Darbar. That is called courtiers. Okay. So those who work in the court, they are called courtiers. So all these people, secretaries, administrator, poets, and courtiers, who both recounted events and advised rulers on government. Okay. So these people, administrator, secretaries, okay, and then poets and courtiers. So they advised to the king, okay, and they wrote Tariq and their achievement. What achievement done by the king, okay. So they wrote that. They wrote their history. So
Sir
they,
means there. Sir,
yes,
sir means they wrote that on which date which achievement was occurred.
yes, they wrote there on the paper, okay, on which date, which event was happened, okay, what is their achievement. So all these they wrote in the paper, okay, and this information we can read now, and so that we know about the past, about Delhi Sultan in 12th century. So now we can read that because it was written in 12th century. Now it's a 21st century, okay, and now we can read it because they wrote in that time, and so that we can read it. So all these people they give uh, uh, advice to the king on the governance and emphasizing the importance of just rule. So governance, okay, so they have very important role in the governance, okay, because they have to advise the rules to the king, okay, and so that rulers also help him, okay, both they also help to the rulers and rulers also give them salaries and help him, okay. So that is about Tariq. So what is Tariq? What is the difference
Date.
between Tariq and Tariq? Who will answer me? Harshal. Harshal, what is between
Sir,
what is the
Sir,
difference
Tariq
between
is
Tariq?
Tariq means date.
What is the
Sir, Tariq
difference?
means date.
Yes, Tariq
means
date. I know
date.
that. Okay, beta. But what is the difference between Tariq and Twarik? Tariq, it's a
Singular and plural.
yes, very good answer. Tariq, it's a singular, and Twarik, it's a plural.
Is plural.
Okay. Then the circle of justice. Farak A, Muddabir.
वीडियो बंद हो गया
Fakr A. Muddabil wrote in the 13th century, a king cannot survive without soldiers. You know that. For the king, soldiers are very important. So without soldier, king can't survive. Okay. And soldiers cannot live without salaries. Okay. Soldiers can't live without salaries, and king cannot survive without soldiers. So both are interrelated. Both are dependent on each other. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
salaries come from the revenue collected from peasants. Them salary. King give them salaries. Okay. But from where it comes from the revenue which given by the peasants. Okay. Nowadays also we are giving taxes to the government. Okay. So that taxes is the main source of income. Okay. We pay taxes to the government and government give us salaries like that. Okay. And government spend it in the development activities like that. In the previous period also, king cannot survive without soldiers. Okay. And
Soldiers.
uh, and soldiers cannot live without salaries. Okay. And these salaries come from peasants' revenue. Okay. They paid taxes to the king and king give them as a salary to the soldiers. Okay. So that is the circle. Okay. But pigeons can pay revenue only when they are prosperous and happy. But how can they give us revenue? If they have money, lot of money, if they are prosperous. Okay. A poor people can't give them revenue, na? So if people or pigeons, they are happy and if they are prosperous, then they paid their revenue. Then that revenue king give to the soldiers as a salary. Okay. So this is a circle. This happens when the king promotes justice and honest governance. So pigeons feel happy if king give them or promotes them a good governance. So all these people will happy. So these are depend on each other. King depend on pigeons for their revenue. King depend on soldiers for their protection, and soldiers depend on king for their salaries. Soldiers depend
Your
on the
voice is
pigeons
not
for
coming.
their salaries. So this is the circle. Okay, it is. This is the
Sir,
circle
your
of
voice is
justice.
not coming.
Now, this is
Coming,
the,
sir.
so this is the circle of justice. Understood this point?
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Okay, salaries come from pigeons revenue. Okay, and pigeons will pay revenue when they will happy and prosperous. Okay, and in the good governance of the king, they will be happy and prosperous. So all these people are interdependent on each other. King depend on the pigeons. Okay, and soldiers. Soldiers depend on pigeons and king for their salary. This is the circle of justice. Who is talking there? Okay, so that is the circle of justice. Understood that point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Vedant, Vedant Adkari,
yes sir
what is
हाँ
the circle of justice, beta? What is the circle of justice?
अबे आने भी ना भैया
What is the circle of justice?
पॉलिटिक्स चालू आहे भैया, पॉलिटिक्स चालू आहे. पाय बरं सरांचा फोटो 100% असा राहूच नाही शकत.
Who is talking there? Who will answer me? What is the circle of justice?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Ah.
Sir, I can tell.
Yes, beta.
Sir, I can tell.
Sir, can you
Yes,
tell?
yes. Very
Sir,
good.
can you tell?
A king cannot survive without soldiers, and soldiers cannot live without sailors.
Salary.
Okay.
Salaries from
Salaries. From
the
universe
revenue
collected from peasants.
collected from the peasant, but present peasant can pay revenue only when they are prosperous and happy. This happens when the king promotes justice and hostess
Honest government.
Okay.
governments.
Good. After that, Sanchit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sanchit. Answer me.
The king depend on the soldiers,
Yes.
and the soldiers depend on king for their salaries.
Very
Is
good.
called the
Circle of
Circle of
justice.
justice.
circle of justice.
Okay. Good. Then there is written that 4 stages in the preparation of manuscripts. How they prepare the manuscripts. Okay. So 4 stages are there. First stage is preparing the paper. Second stage is writing the text. Third stage is melting gold to highlight important words and passages. They use gold to highlight the important words. Okay, that is the third stage. And fourth stage is that preparing the binding. So these were the 4 stages of prepared manuscripts. Okay, Aditi Nimbekar.
Yes, sir.
Aditi Nimbekar. Yes. What are the 4 stages for the preparation of manuscripts?
So,
Sir,
Yes, beta.
sir, can I answer?
Your voice is not
Sir, can I
clear.
answer?
Aditi, your voice is not clear. Okay. Dimple.
sir.
Sir, may I?
Dimple.
So,
Dimple.
prepare.
Yeah.
Dimple.
Yes, sir. Preparing the paper, writing
Yes.
the text, melting gold
Yes.
to highlighter,
Yes.
writing the text,
Highlight
melting
with the
gold
gold.
to
Huh, beta?
highlighter important word and passages.
Sir,
Yes.
Yes, highlight with the gold
Okay.
and preparing the binding.
The binding. That is okay. We bind it, na? So that is the binding.
sir.
Yes, Sanchit.
First,
Yes.
लेकर बता रहे हैं.
Yes, Sanchit. You.
sir,
Ah.
first making the papers,
Yes.
then writing the text, and then by gold, highlighting by hitting the gold, highlighting the points, and writing the text.
Okay, very good. Okay, so this is the how they prepare their manuscripts. Okay, understood that points. Today we
Yes,
learn
sir.
Yes, sir.
about the tariq, and then
Yes, sir.
the circle of justice, and third how they prepare manuscripts. Okay, these 3
Yes, sir.
here today. Okay,
Yes, sir.
understood these 3 points.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
DJ Sir, थोड़ा सा
सर नेटवर्क अटक रहा है.
Hi DJ. Checking it up.
सर योर माइक कुत्ते की आवाज निकाल रहा है.
माइक.
सर योर माइक.
Sanchit Pune.
सर कोई तो भी नहीं, कुत्ते की आवाज निकाल रहा है.
Yeah, I know that. Who is this? Sanchit Khune. Mute it.
Sanjit is playing keyboard, sir. सर संचित is playing keyboard, sir. और धैर्य कुत्ते की आवाज सर संचित is playing the keyboard.
Yes. I'm
And
going to
Dhairya-
mute him. Okay. Now it's okay.
Yes.
Okay. So keep the following additional details in your mind that the authors of Tariq. Now we are going to learn about the Tariq. Okay. So that authors of Tariq lived in cities. Okay. Mostly they were lived in the cities and mainly in Delhi. Why Delhi? Because Delhi is the capital. Okay. Delhi is the capital city. Okay. And so that mostly they lived in a Delhi city. Yeah. They often wrote their histories for sultans in the hope of rich rewards. And why they wrote histories? Because they think that if they wrote histories for the sultans, then they will receive very good reward. Okay? King will pay him. And so that they wrote Tariq. Okay, for the reward. Main thing is that reward. Okay, so they often wrote their histories for sultans in the hope of rich rewards. And third point is that these authors advise rulers on the need to preserve an ideal social order based on birthright gender distinctions. So these people, they also advise the king. Okay. So these authors of the Tariq, we learn that authors of the Tariq, okay, they lived in a cities. Mostly they lived in a capital city or Delhi. Okay. Second, they wrote their history because they want rich reward from the king. Okay. So these are the points. So their ideas were not shared by everybody. You know that in 1236, Sultan Iltutmish's daughter Rajia became Sultan. When she became Sultan? In 1236. Okay, 1236. Rajia Sultana, she became
Asia.
ruler, the first lady ruler of the Hindustan. Okay, do you know that who was the first lady prime minister of India?
Lady Prime
Indira Gandhi.
Yes,
Indira
correct
Gandhi.
answer is
Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi.
very good answer. Okay, so like that, Rajia
Indira Gandhi.
Sultana, she was the first lady ruler in India.
Lady Prime.
Okay, she became the ruler in 1236. Okay, so
हाँ sir.
in 1236, Sultan Iltutmish's daughter. She was the daughter of Sultan Iltutmish.
Sultan Iltutmish.
Sultan
Iltutmish.
daughter,
हाँ sir, है sir.
Rajia Sultana. Okay, she became the Sultan. The chronicler of the age, Mihaz A. Shiraz, recognized that she was more able and qualified than all her brothers. Why she became sultans? Because she was more qualified, okay,
Yes sir.
than her brothers. She have two brothers, but their brothers were not qualified and not able to run the country. Okay, and so that she became the first lady ruler in India.
Sir.
Sir, in which year?
I wrote there 1236.
1240.
1236.
Okay.
1236 to 1240.
1236 to
To
1240.
1240.
Only 4 years she ruled over India. Okay. But the
Yes,
main
sir.
remarkable thing is that she became the first lady ruler in India, Rajia Sultana. Okay.
Huh.
The chronicler of the age, who was that? Minhaj A. Siraj. He recognized that she was more able and qualified than all her brothers. But he was not comfortable at having a queen as a ruler. So people or countries, noble persons, okay, so they who work in court, so they were not happy because how can they live under a lady ruler? They thought that how can we obey a lady? Okay, a ruler should be a king, okay, not a queen. A ruler should be a man, not a woman. And so that they were not satisfied, they were unhappy that we have to a man, not woman, as a king. But he was not comfortable at having a queen as a ruler, nor were the nobles happy at her attempts to the ruler independent. So these people were not happy with the Rajia Sultana because they think that Rajia is a woman and
Women.
okay, and how can we give orders or how can we obey to a woman? Okay, so this
Hmm.
was a gender discrimination. Nowadays also there is a gender discrimination. Okay, in most of the family they prefer boy
Yes.
to the girl. Okay, nowadays also there are gender discrimination. Some people they consider boy is greater than girl. Okay, but it is not true. Girls also very powerful than boys, and it proved that
Yes.
Rajia
Yes,
Sultana
sir.
she
Yes, sir.
became the first lady ruler. Indira Gandhi became the prime minister. Okay, and there are so many girls. Okay, so they have very important position like that. Kalpana Chawla,
Kalpana Chawla.
Sania Mirza, so many lady girl means uh,
Sir, Kalpana Chawla.
yes, Kalpana Chawla and others also. So they are in a great position. So we
Fine
do
and
not
able.
discriminate girls and boys. Okay, so both are same. But in that,
Ani and Evan.
yes, both have equal rights, equal opportunity. Okay, so we do not discriminate girls and boys. Okay, they are equal. We have to treat them equally. Okay, because both have the same capacity.
Yes, sir.
Boys are not superior to girls. Okay, so both are equal. But in the 1236, in that time, okay, people consider that girl, how can we obey to the woman? Okay, she Rajia Sultana became the first lady ruler, but nobles they were unhappy. They want a man should be ruler, not a woman, and so that they were unhappy. So, but she was very able. Okay, she have a capacity to run the government, and so that she run the government. She ruled there from 1236 to 1240. Okay, so this is the main point. But they remove her. She was removed from the throne in 1240. She ruled.
सर बारिश आने के वजह से आप दिख रहे हैं.
Yes. What happened?
Sir, Arya is saying rain is coming. That's why you are not seen.
Okay.
बहुत सारा फॉग आ गया.
Connectivity problem, na beta? Okay.
Sir.
So that was the main
Arya
problem, and
is
so that nobles they removed her. Okay. When in 1240, do you know that movie, Rajia Sultana movie? Here,
No, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Dharmendra
Sir, which?
and
Sir,
Hema Malini
movie
was
name?
there, and
Sir,
Hema Malini
movie
played
name?
Yes,
the role
ma'am.
of
Rajia
Rajia
Sultana.
Sultana. Okay, you have to see that movie. some clips you have to see that. Sultana
Sir,
movie.
movie name.
Okay.
Sir,
Rajia
movie's name.
Sultana. Hindi
Rajia Sultana.
Rajia Sultana.
Rajia Sultana.
Sultana.
The roles played by
Razia Sultana.
Rajia Sultana. Okay.
Yes, sir. I will sing today.
So what Minaz e Siraj, he wrote about Rajia. So Minaz e Siraj thought that the queen's rule went against the ideal social order created by God. And they think that there was a social structure that men should be superior, okay, and it is against to the God, and so that they think it is not good thing, and so that they remove her from the throne, in which women were supposed to be subordinate to men. He therefore asked in the register of God's creation, since her account did not fall under the column of men, how did she gain from all her excellent qualities? So that is the question. If God do not give qualities to the woman, so how would she get all these excellent qualities? Okay, how would
Yes, sir.
she rule from 1236 to 1240? Okay, how would she become the first lady ruler of Hindustan? Because the girls have also same qualities, okay, that
Girl power.
men's and women's both are equal. We have to treat them equally because both have same capacity, okay.
Okay, sir.
So on her inscriptions and coins, Rajia mentioned that she was the daughter of Sultan Iltutmish, okay, and that was in
Sultan al-Dusmi.
Rudrama Devi. You know, do you know about that movie, Rudrama Devi? It's a South movie.
Dudrama.
No, sir.
It was in
No, sir.
1289 story. Okay,
No, sir.
1289.
Sir, that is real, na?
That story you know about 1239. The story of
Yeah.
Rudrama Devi. And that,
Rudrana Devi.
yes, Rudrama Devi. It is in 1262, 1289 of the Kakatiya dynasty of Warangal and part of modern Andhra Pradesh. So yeah, it is in the Kakatiya dynasty. Okay. So
आवाज येत आहे
who is talking there?
Sanchit, sir.
Sanchit.
Sanchit, mute your mic. So there is again a new movie also that is called, that is Rudrama Devi movie. Okay, and it is a South movie. So you have to watch some clips about that. Okay, there is given, okay, that how there was a discrimination among women and men. Okay, but she became a king. Okay, so she was in Kakatiya dynasty in Warangal. Okay, now this is the part of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so you must watch these two movies. Some clips you have to watch. First, that is Rajia Sultana movie, and
Sultana movie.
that is Rudrama Devi movie. It is South movie. Okay, so you have to
Rudrama Devi.
Rudrama.
get better.
Rudrama Devi.
Okay, now it's time is
Movie.
running out. Only 10 minutes are there. Okay, so
Sir, Manikarnika picture also is there, na?
yes, Manikarnika movie also there. Okay.
Sir, biography of
Padmavat.
Jhansi Ki Rani.
Yes,
Padmavat.
Jhansi Ki Rani. Yes, not Padmavati. Jhansi Ki Rani. Okay. These are the main movies. That is based on. It is based on lady or woman. Okay, the leading role of woman. Okay. So here is a Rudrama Devi's movie, and it was also very good movie on the gender discrimination. Okay. Now time is.
Oh my God, oh my God.
So
अरे
about
चले चल.
that, so she was a lady ruler, okay, in Andhra. So Rudrama Devi changed her name on her inscriptions and printed she was a man. She changed her get-up. Okay, she was born as a girl, but she changed her get-up and she was there in a society as a man. Okay, and she ruled there as a man. She changed her get-up. Okay, she was became Rudram. Okay, not Rudrama Devi, but she was a girl, but she changed her get-up and she became boy, and then she ruled over that Varanga.
Yes, sir. I seen that movie.
Yes, so
Seen
that
that
movie is
movie.
interesting. Okay,
It is South Indian
South
movie.
Indian movie. Okay, so another queen was Dida movie. Dida queen.
Dida.
So Dida, she ruled in Kashmir.
Dida.
Dida in 908.
908. 900.
1003.
Bapre.
908 to 1003.
1003.
And her name was Dida, and she ruled in Kashmir. Okay, her title is in
Dida.
it comes from Didi or elder sister. Okay, and obviously affection then given to a loved ruler by her subjects, and her
By her
subjects,
subjects.
her people, they loved her and they said that Dida. Okay, not Didi, Dida. Okay. So these were the three queens. First was Razia Sultana, second was Rudrama Devi, and third was
Rudrama Devi.
Dida.
Dida.
Okay,
Dida.
Dida,
Dida.
Dida from Jammu and Kashmir. So these were
Kashmir.
lady
926.
ruler, which was rule in the main society. So birthright privilege claimed on account of birth. For example, people believe that nobles inherited their rights to govern because they were born to certain families. Gender distinctions, social and biological differences between women and men. Usually, these differences are used to argue that men are superior to women, but it is not true. Men are superior to women. Okay, some people think that men are superior to women, but it is not true. Girls or women are also
का फेकून ठेवला होता.
are equal. Okay, girls and boys. Okay, so tomorrow we will see next topic from
Yes, sir.
addition terms. Okay,
Okay, sir.
now I am going to end the meeting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Bye, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
Bye, beta. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, beta. Bye,
Happy
beta.
Teacher Day,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Same to you.
Happy Teacher Day, sir.
Same to you.
Bye, sir.